Teachmint, come, build the future with us. Dear Educator, congratulations on completing 500 hours of live online teaching. Teachmint is committed to creating a seamless online teaching experience. The app was created for teachers like you who commit themselves to make quality education accessible for all. We wish we had enough words to tell you just how amazing you are. While we strive to create a wonderful online teaching platform, it is your dedication and that pushes us to do better every day. This milestone is just the beginning of a wonderful journey, and it stands as proof of your commitment and dedication. While the satisfaction of guiding students towards a better future is itself a huge reward, we wanted to take a moment and honor your contribution by presenting you Teachmint Gold Educator Award. By shaping the future generation and sharing knowledge, you are creating a huge impact on society. Teachers like you are an inspiration, and Teachmint is elated to be a small part of it. We wish you all the best. Keep teaching and keep inspiring. Yours sincerely, Vivav Kausal, Director, Teacher Experience.
mayam sigi gift se Teachmint na tharakpani 500 hours of live online teaching complete tawbagi haitare t-shirt amubam thare Teachmint thabama price tax lo yaurga 100% rich cotton 9 thare 999 people male mamalsi adum quality laiba poni haitare fazana packing tawrga pibire chest ki areas that Teachmint haina thai sum ozasing da haitare encourage to boina ko pung thogat poina moina khoida tharak pani surprise oina ko 100 hours to thabani dagi 500 hours to thai dagi matang damai tharakani ko encouragement oina stage the certificate amaka yauri ko dagi makhada lairibasi trophy gi mongni YouTube to thab dumaina ko Teachmint Gold Educator Award hain thaiba presented to Raga James Maitai for completing 500 hours of live online teaching on Teachmint. Adum phazai haitare yengbada ko table gumba phaglang gumba ta thelaga thamba haitare tumai tawnangai poni memory oina sum trophy ni nako sum thamba yai yam encouraging oiba moment ni haitare stage na city gi mong ni haitare moina haining bo wahi khara khoida harak pa haitare oja sing da ko ma harak pa yamna phajaba yamna encouraging oiba paabde yam nungsi haitare thamoida yam nungsi ba power emotional feeling am power haitare oja sing gi punsi se future generation da bu shape ta one natra adu loina muk pallaga ina ngasai mamangda audio da piraidana ko dumaina potsi kamai tawno munne yengu haibagini ko aina sumai tawrise sum ojaga yate tai takning ba online platform da takning ba khotpa Teachmint adum sinabiu adum nungai bani haitare whiteboard facility gumba adum lay the whiteboard sinadrasu chat box ta iraga adum takpa yai ko attendance ki adagi fee thibamgi homework pibamgi notes thagatpamgi recording gi ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯤꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯞ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ ꯇꯤꯆꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯟꯕꯣꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯂꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯀꯟ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯇꯤꯆꯃꯤꯟꯁꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯤꯆꯃꯤꯟꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯇꯤꯆꯃꯤꯟꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯎꯟꯂꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ